I can burn bridges 'cause I know how to fucking swim. So do me a favor and fuck off. I was born alone, and I'll die alone. Don't ever think I need you. Respectfully.
Okay, let's talk about it. New ignition got put on yesterday. I'm gonna be honest with you, I did not want to tear all this plastic off, so I drilled the hole, even though it broke a little bit. I drilled the hole and just pulled that other bolt out. There's some things you just go, you know what, no, not even worth it. Pulling Chinese plastics apart means they'll never go back together correctly again, so sometimes you just have to make a decision. So went ahead and drilled the hole so I could reach the bottom bolt, and that gives me the ability now. I changed the ignition. I had to do some soldering up here because some of the wires had snapped off due to corrosion just sitting outside, and yeah, so that being said, upgraded carburetor, upgraded air pod, new fuel lines, new fuel filter. I did put a new CDI on it because the other one was weak, and as you can see, I did go ahead and put a whole new coil on there, as well as a new spark plug, new belt, fresh gas, and yeah, this is the result. Key on, we don't have to kickstart it anymore, and booyah. Runs like a top. Lights are working. Horn. Turn signals. You can see the indicators finally coming on now. They're blinking. So it's ready. That's finally ready for the paint job and cruising it around. So that's what comes next. Paint and cruise. Painting and cruising, baby. Yeah. So still haven't debated whether I'm going to bypass the pairing system. I probably will. I'll probably bypass the pairing system on this thing because I don't like pairing systems and they cause more problems than they help. So I'll probably get rid of the pairing system, but there you go, man. She's good to go. She is good to go.